Tara Canyon is located in Europe in Dormitory National Park, Montenegro. Also known as the Tear of Europe, Tara River Gorge is the longest canyon in Europe and second in the world after the Grand Canyon. Slicing through the mountains at the northern edge of the national park, the Tara River forms a canyon that is 1,300 meters deep at its peak. Tara River is created by two separate rivers that spring in Komovi Mountains, Opasanica and Varosa. One of the unique sites extending just above the Tara River Gorge is the Đurđevića Bridge, which is located above 172 meters from the gorge. The bridge is 1,198 feet long with 5 arches and is the largest arch vehicle bridge in Europe.